Are you in the market for a high-performance laptop that perfectly balances style, power, and versatility? In this video, we'll be diving deep into a comparison of three top contenders for 2024, the ASUS Zenbook S13 OLED, the M3 MacBook Air 13, and the Yoga 9i Gen 9. Each of these sleek machines brings its own unique features, performance capabilities, and design aesthetics to the table. But which one is the best fit for your needs? Make sure to watch till the end, where I'll reveal the clear winner of this showdown and provide you with convenient purchase links in the description. Let's get started. The 2023 ASUS Zenbook S13 OLED boasts a sleek and compact design, making it highly portable for on-the-go use. The laptop's slim profile and lightweight construction, measuring just 0.46 inches thick and weighing 2.2 pounds, make it easy to carry around. The exterior features a premium plasma ceramic coating that not only looks stylish, but also provides a durable finish. One of the standout features of the Zenbook S13 OLED is its stunning 13.3-inch 2.8K OLED display. The high resolution delivers sharp and detailed visuals, while the OLED technology ensures deep blacks, vibrant colors, and wide viewing angles. The display also supports HDR content, providing a more immersive viewing experience. However, it's worth noting that the display lacks touchscreen functionality. Powered by an Intel Core i7-1355U processor and 32 GB of RAM, it offers decent performance for everyday tasks like browsing, word processing, and light video editing. The integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics can handle casual gaming and basic multimedia editing. While the processor might not be as powerful as some higher-end options, it's sufficient for most users' needs. It is well equipped with connectivity options including 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 1 USB-A port, an HDMI port, and a headphone jack. This allows you to connect to various peripherals and external displays without the need for additional adapters. It delivers impressive battery life thanks to its efficient processor and 63 watt-hour battery. You can expect to get around 15 to 16 hours of continuous use on a single charge, making it suitable for long workdays or travel. The keyboard on the Zenbook S13 OLED is comfortable to type on, with well-spaced keys and decent key travel. The backlight is helpful for low-light typing. The trackpad is also responsive and supports multi-touch gestures for navigation and productivity. It offers a compelling combination of style, performance, and battery life. Its stunning OLED display and compact design make it a great choice for users who prioritize portability and visual quality. While the performance might not be as powerful as some higher-end laptops, it's more than enough for most everyday tasks. If you're looking for a stylish and capable ultrabook, the Zenbook S13 OLED is definitely worth considering. The M3 MacBook Air is equipped with Apple's latest M3 chip, which offers a substantial performance upgrade over its predecessors. The M3 chip features an 8-core CPU and a 10-core GPU, providing a significant boost in both processing power and graphics capabilities. This translates to faster app launches, smoother multitasking, and improved performance for demanding tasks like video editing and photo manipulation. The M3 MacBook Air maintains the same sleek and compact design as the previous generation, featuring a thin and lightweight aluminum body. The laptop's fanless design ensures quiet operation and minimal heat generation. The Liquid Retina display offers a resolution of 2560 by 1664 pixels, delivering sharp and vibrant visuals. The display also features True Tone technology, which automatically adjusts the screen's color temperature to match the ambient lighting conditions, providing a more comfortable viewing experience in various environments. It is equipped with 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, which provide versatile connectivity options. These ports can be used to connect to external displays, storage devices, and other peripherals. Additionally, the laptop features MagSafe 3 charging, offering a secure and convenient way to power your device. It also supports Wi-Fi 6E, providing faster and more reliable wireless connectivity. It delivers impressive battery life thanks to the efficient M3 chip and optimized software. Apple claims up to 18 hours of Apple TV app movie playback and up to 15 hours of wireless web use. In real-world testing, it consistently exceeded these estimates, making it suitable for long workdays or travel. It features a 4-speaker sound system that delivers rich and immersive audio. The speakers are tuned to provide clear and balanced sound, making it ideal for listening to music, watching movies, or attending video conferences. It is equipped with a 1080p FaceTime HD camera, which offers excellent video quality for video calls and FaceTime chats. The camera also features Center Stage, a feature that automatically pans and zooms to keep you centered in the frame. The M3 MacBook Air is a significant upgrade over its predecessors, offering a substantial performance boost, a sleek and compact design, and excellent battery life. The M3 chip provides impressive performance for both everyday tasks and demanding workloads. The laptop's beautiful display, powerful speakers, and excellent camera make it a versatile and enjoyable device for work, entertainment, and creativity. While the starting price may be higher than previous generations, the M3 MacBook Air offers exceptional value for its features and performance. The convertible laptop market is witnessing a heated competition, with Lenovo's Yoga 9i 14 Gen 9 vying for the top spot alongside HP's Spectre X360 14. Both contenders boast the latest Intel Core Ultra processors with integrated AI hardware, making them ideal for everyday tasks and casual creative endeavors. It shines with its stunning 14-inch OLED touchscreen. This high-resolution display boasts a 2880 by 1800 resolution and supports HDR500 technology, delivering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and exceptional contrast for an unparalleled viewing experience. Additionally, True Tone technology automatically adjusts the color temperature based on ambient lighting, reducing eye strain and making it easier on your eyes during extended use. Under the hood, it packs a punch. Our tested configuration came equipped with an Intel Core Ultra 7 155H processor, 16 GB of RAM, and a 1 TB SSD. This combination delivers smooth performance for everyday tasks like browsing, document editing, and video conferencing. It can even handle some light creative workloads like photo editing and basic video editing without breaking a sweat. Another key strength of the Yoga 9i is its battery life. In our video playback test, the Yoga 9i achieved an impressive 17 hours and 52 minutes of battery life. This allows users to work or play for extended periods without needing to recharge, making it a perfect companion for those who are always on the go. The Yoga 9i doesn't disappoint in the audio department either. The built-in soundbar hinge houses 4 speakers tuned by Bowers & Wilkins. These speakers deliver excellent sound quality for multimedia experiences, ensuring you can enjoy your movies, music, and games with rich and immersive audio. It boasts a sleek and stylish design. The aluminum chassis is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry around. The unique hinge design is a noteworthy feature. Not only does it allow the laptop to convert into various modes like tablet, tent, and kiosk mode for added versatility, but it also houses the soundbar, providing a space-saving solution for delivering excellent audio. The Yoga 9i comes equipped with a decent keyboard that offers a reasonable typing experience despite the shallow key travel. The large buttonless touchpad provides smooth navigation and precise clicks, making it a pleasure to use. Security features include a fingerprint reader and an IR webcam with face recognition for secure login options. While the Yoga 9i is an excellent overall package, there are a few drawbacks to consider. Compared to some competitors, the Yoga 9i starts at a slightly higher price point. Additionally, the lack of an HDMI port, an SD or microSD card slot might be a deal breaker for users who need them for connecting to external displays or transferring media files. The absence of a mobile broadband option might also be a limitation for users who require constant internet access while on the go. Finally, the included Lenovo Slim Pen lacks a secure cap, which some users might find inconvenient for storing the pen securely. In conclusion, the choice between these laptops ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. The Zenbook S13 OLED stands out for its stunning display and portability, ideal for those who prioritize visuals and mobility. The M3 MacBook Air offers superior performance and integration within the Apple ecosystem, making it perfect for users looking for a powerful, versatile machine. However, the Yoga 9i excels in its convertible design, exceptional battery life, and impressive audio experience, making it a strong contender for creative professionals. After weighing the features, performance, and overall user experience, the M3 MacBook Air 13 emerges as the clear winner for 2024. With its powerful M3 chip, sleek design, and excellent battery life, it delivers outstanding value for users who require both performance and portability. Don't forget to check the purchase links in the description to get your hands on the best laptop for your needs.